Be ready. 15 seconds to go. 5 seconds to go. Madam, when the emergency was declared, voluntary collections for the defense fund were initiated, and the working classes and the poorer sections of the people gave their all to the National Defense Fund. But the richer classes, the Maharajas, and the property owning classes in India have given very little to the National Defense Fund, which really shows that the government have not taken proper steps to collect monies from these land owing and rich classes. The emergency should have been utilized for freezing the privy purses that are given to the princes. It should have been utilized for getting more collections from those classes who can pay, who have earned money by illegal means, who have evaded wealth tax, who have evaded income tax. The government of India has done well in bringing the gold control rules, but unfortunately, these rules have not been of much use in unearthing the gold that has been hoarded by the black marketeers. More stringent steps should be taken to see that the gold, which is estimated to be worth about rupees 4,000 crores, is unearthed. The quantity of gold that has to be worn by any male or female should be limited. Then only can the gold that has been hoarded by these people be unearthed. Regarding collections, I should sound a note of warning. From almost all the states, reports have come in that coercive and pressure tactics have been used by the officers to collect money for the National Defense Fund. It is necessary that we should raise funds, but mere collection of these funds will not strengthen our defense forces or enable developmental activities to go on. On the other hand, it is absolutely necessary that a defense levy should be resorted to in order to raise funds to strengthen defense forces. It should be voluntary, and only then will it create enthusiasm among the people, and we will be making them realize we are at war with China, and we should do our best to increase the defense potential of the country. That does not mean that the officers concerned should make use of coercive methods to collect funds. Reports have come in, and the Prime Minister has also been apprised of this fact, and he has advised the state governments concerned that they should not resort to coercive methods to collect contributions for the National Defense Fund. Some have said that we would rather starve than import food. I am afraid I cannot agree with this, and I feel that it is an irresponsible statement to make in the present conditions. When I talked of cooperation with honorable members outside, it was not on small matters of procedure and things like that, although they are important, and if we can work together, it is a good thing. But far more important is to get cooperation in matters of national importance and of life and death for our people. Certainly, food comes in that category. Food and drought relief are the foremost problems for us. Last year, we faced the same kind of problem, and it was only through a Herculean effort that we were able to avert a great human tragedy. This year is even more difficult because reserves are depleted and there is considerable uncertainty about supplies. The minister has already outlined the program of short term crops, and we must all see that this program is made a success. There is also the need to accelerate intensive cultivation programs all over the country. Many steps are being taken to deal with the immediate problem in Bihar and eastern UP. Some people here mentioned Rajasthan. I would like to say that we have not forgotten at all that Rajasthan also faces this problem, and so do areas of other states. There was the Joint Emergency Committee for Bihar set up under the Food Minister with the Bihar Chief Minister and his colleagues. It has already met 3 times. Drinking water is an acute problem in Bihar, and schemes worth over rupees 5 crores have been sanctioned by the central government. The election have thrown up certain political challenges, but the real challenge is the economic challenge of prices and production. Many honorable members opposite have talked about the economic situation. This is natural because it is a serious thing, but as usual, the diagnosis as well as the treatment has differed from person to person. This is what I mean when I say that we should get together on certain things. Let us have some kind of a minimum program on which we can agree, at least on one or two national issues. Higher production and budgetary discipline can give some respite from high price. Streamlining the administration and procedures is the first need.